How to fix network adapter code 31 error on Windows. 1. Update network adapter drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 2. Reset network adapter via the network reset option. 3. Remove invalid network registry keys and reinstall network adapter drivers later. Note: delete the config key reg_binary and h_key_local_machine /system /current control set /control /network in registry editor. 4. Try installing a different network adapter.